Air fryers have become popular kitchen appliances, promising healthier versions of your favorite fried foods. The Philips Premium Airfryer XXL takes this concept a step further with its innovative fat removal technology. This in-depth review explores the features, functionalities, and performance of this air fryer to help you decide if it's the right fit for your kitchen. Healthy frying with fat removal technology. The key feature of the Philips Premium Airfryer XXL is its patented fat removal technology. Unlike traditional air fryers that simply circulate hot air, this model boasts an additional chamber that captures excess fat dripping from the food during cooking. Philips claims this technology removes more fat than other air fryer brands, allowing you to enjoy healthier versions of fried favorites. Beyond frying, a multifunctional marvel, the Philips Premium Airfryer XXL goes beyond just frying. This versatile appliance offers a variety of cooking functions, including grilling, achieve restaurant-quality sears for meats and vegetables; roasting, cook juicy chicken, tender vegetables, and other oven-roasted favorites; baking, bake delicious cookies, pastries, and even cakes right in your air fryer; reheating, reheat leftovers with crispy results and minimal additional fat; dehydrating, create healthy snacks like dried fruit and jerky; toasting. While not its primary function, the air fryer can also toast bread. This versatility allows you to replace multiple appliances, potentially freeing up counter space and streamlining your cooking routine. Additional features to consider. Large capacity. The 3 lb capacity makes it suitable for cooking meals for families of up to 6 people. Rapid air technology ensures even cooking for crispy on the outside, tender on the inside results. Digital display. The user-friendly interface allows for easy control of temperature, cooking time, and pre-set programs. Keep warm mode keeps your food warm and ready to serve after cooking. 5 cooking presets. Simplify cooking with one-touch settings for frozen fries, snacks, chicken, fish, and cake. Easy cleaning. Most removable parts are dishwasher safe, and the non-stick coating makes cleaning a breeze. Unlocking culinary potential with a Nutrio app. Philips offers a free Nutrio app that complements the Airfryer XXL. This app provides access to hundreds of air fryer recipes, cooking tutorials, and tips to help you get the most out of your appliance. Is the Philips Premium Airfryer XXL right for you? This air fryer is ideal for health-conscious individuals who want to enjoy familiar fried foods with less fat; busy families seeking a versatile appliance for quick and easy meals; those with limited counter space looking for a multifunctional appliance that can replace multiple devices. Here's a quick breakdown of the pros and cons to help you decide. Pros: fat removal technology for healthier frying; multifunctional grills, roasts, bakes, reheats, dehydrates, and toasts; large capacity; easy to use and clean; Nutrio app for recipe inspiration and guidance. Cons: higher price point compared to some basic air fryers; larger footprint compared to some air fryers. Overall, the Philips Premium Airfryer XXL offers a unique combination of fat removal technology, versatility, and user-friendly features. While it may come with a premium price tag, its ability to create healthier versions of fried favorites and replace multiple appliances makes it a compelling option for health-conscious cooks who value convenience and functionality. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. If you enjoyed the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more reviews like this one.